We are here in Las Vegas at the National Multifamily Conference. Boy, there is a lot of people here. So, James, what are some of the things that we pulled out on the second and third day?
All I know is both of our voices are a little bit hoarse, and it's been a lot of parties, a lot of talking with everybody in the industry. I mean, I think people are excited about this year. Last quarter, fourth quarter, third quarter last year was a little bit rough. A little bit slower for people. Coming in this year, I mean, everybody wants to buy, but at a discount. So nobody really wants to sell unless they have to, but a lot of buyers here. So a lot of people, a lot of money out there still.
Yeah, still a lot of money. Yeah, we have industry a little bit of a problem. So there is a big delta between the buyers and the sellers. Both think they're right. Buyers think that they should be buying these properties at a discount. Sellers still think it's 2012, 2010, 2020. They all want a bigger price for that property. So, give me two takeaways that you really have come back with from here from this event.
I would say number one is you got to get your house in order. So you can't go out there and raise money or buy another deal if behind you got all these legacy issues, right? So make sure if you got a bridge or you got a floater, Fannie, Freddie, you've got that figured out. Figure out that plan, put that in place, go out and raise the capital on those deals first, and then be ready to buy. But don't do it the other way.
My one takeaway is that if I didn't get COVID here, I probably will never get COVID. Just 10,000 of our favorite people around the apartment investing industry. So again, I'm Paul Peebles, James Zeng. We'll talk to you soon.